Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues, we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. And we've got ways of playing music. Feels like there must be another one that I'm just maybe not aware of. Possibly stock, but I'll come back to that. Soup and bouillon. I think bouillon is a kind of soup. I feel like herring and platter are related because they're also kind of food things, but not entirely confident, so we'll come back to that one as well. What are we going to start with? Oh, I suppose stock also goes with the soup group, but I don't know what the fourth one could be. Oh gosh. What is sugar gonna be connected with? Is sweet? Smoked herring? Wax candle? Does anything else go with candles? Not that I can see. It's not a great performance so far. I haven't made any mistakes, but I've got no idea where to start. I feel like I'm at least close to some of the groups. Sometimes I struggle because I've got 5 possible answers to go into a group. Here I've got some where I think I've got 3, but that's just as bad. I think options and bonds are connected as well, aren't they? They're sort of the same thing. But again, I don't know. I mean, stock could also go in that group. Oh, funny bone, wishbone. This has to be a group, doesn't it? Or maybe it doesn't. Because nothing else goes in this group either. But what else can those two be? Herringbone. That's got to be a group, hasn't it? Waxbone? Icebone? Soupbone? Oh, I really don't know. I feel like one of the groups is for music, one of the groups is for soups, one of the groups is for bones. But I don't know what else. All very frustrating so far, because I've only got 3 each from each of those groups. There's just a few holes in my knowledge by the looks of it. And actually, I've got stock penciled into a couple of different groups, haven't I? So I don't really know where that goes. Ice and wax I haven't got for any groups yet. Wax bone? Ice bone? There's ice pick. Option means to pick, but I don't think that's going to help. What is sugar going to be connected with? Sugar cube? Ice cube? Stock cube? I don't think you'd say die cube, would you? Even though a die is a cube. Bond cube, herring cube, platter cube. Why does stock go in every group? It goes in this group, it goes in the soup groups, it goes with bonds. What? Let's just test die. I didn't think that would be correct. What else? Funny cube? No. Oh, I just don't know. For it to be one away though, it has to be cubes, doesn't it? So maybe I should then focus on the bones. Wax, but let's just try wax bone. That's also one away, okay. So these 3 are the bones. The other 3 that I just did are the cubes. We've got 3 music things. And then 3 foodie things. So let's test whether these are foodie things. Oh, they're not even one away. Okay. Well, that's very bad. This is going to be a complete failure, isn't it? What else goes with cube? I don't know. And what else goes with bone? I mean, it's possible that the music group isn't a group. These three could theoretically be in different groups, but I don't think they're cubes, and I don't think any of them are bones. So, I don't know. Let's just go with Bond for this group. It's not right. So what were the groups? Was investment options? I did consider that. It was terms for record. I've never heard of platter or wax in that context. Cube shaped. Bouillon dye, ice and sugar. Ice cube, sugar cube. So it's not even stock cube. It's just things that are cube in shape. That's annoying because it's a little bit more vague than I was thinking. And then things that go with bone. Funny bone, herringbone, wishbone. Those are the three that I had. And then soup bone. I've never heard of that. I nearly guessed it randomly, but I've never heard of it. So that is a complete failure. I think that was quite a difficult one. I knew vaguely what the groups were. I knew there was I suspected there might be an investments group at some point. I think I had bond option and stock. Didn't know about CD. I knew there was a records group, but I was nowhere near that. I had CD in it. I thought about cubes and I thought about bones. But yeah, I was close, but actually a million miles away. That's the Connections game. Let me know if you did better. You definitely didn't do worse. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.